Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to optimize your Instagram profile for maximum engagement. First, go to your Instagram application. Create a short and interesting bio that tells people who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Also use keywords related to your business or interest to attract the right audience. Additionally, you need to share interesting and engaging Instagram stories every day to keep your audience entertained. Next, use 5 to 15 hashtags that are either too big nor too small, and make sure they are relevant to your niche and add them to your captions. Now, the hashtags will not decide how well your content performs, they will just boost it. Next, don't use hashtags in the comment section of your page. Instagram helps grow your profile based on keywords in your captions and bio, not comments. You are not using their full potential if you put hashtags in the comments. Furthermore, post attractive photos and videos that your audience loves. Also, stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your followers interested and coming back for more. Respond quickly to comments, messages, and mentions. Also, interact with your followers by liking and commenting on their posts too. By following these steps, you can optimize your Instagram profile to maximize engagement and grow your audience effectively. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.